I think we're about to do a lot of big things with content. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag too early, but I'm very excited about what we're doing with our content strategy.
I think it's challenging. It's risky. You have to sort of stick your neck out and make bold decisions.
Remember, don't beat around the bush. Get the issue out there.
If you don't speak English for months, you will lose your touch.
That we don't have to wait any longer. Now we can take the bull by the horns. We can start modifying ourselves. We can create Homo sapien 2.0, right?
It was something that I said in the heat of the moment. I said the worst word I could possibly think of, and it just sort of slipped out.
I'd like to live in Manhattan, but you have to pay through the nose to live there.
We aggressively, because we're America, innovate, invest, insist that the best technologies are made here, the best products are made here, and the best jobs are created here so that we can kill two birds with one stone, grow our economy, enhance our national security.
Tourists who go to Rome really miss the boat by not going out to Ostia in larger numbers, because most tourists don't tend to take the trip out to Ostia.
Hey, why the long face, Chief?
Nothing.